Today I'll be showing you how you can contact the DBO customer service via chat. In order to do this, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead and enter bdo.com.ph in your web browser. Once you're here, you can log into your account, or if you want to directly contact the BDO customer service via chat, you do not need to necessarily log into your account. So now from this page, you need to go ahead and go to Help and Support section, or you can go to their Contact Us section. From the Help and Support page, look for the option to enable the chat button. You can also find other ways to contact them here. You can go through this hotline, landline, international toll-free numbers of BDO, or you can scroll down and tap on chat, that is between call and BDO apps, in the section of ways to bank, bottom of the page of BDO, and it will redirect you to the Facebook page or the Facebook chat section, and you can contact them from over there. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.